Hey, it's Patrick, and today let's talk about Rizoma Stealth Mirrors. Now, Rizoma is an Italian company founded in 2001 that makes high-end motorcycle parts that I would describe as very clean and functional designs. And that is exactly what these stealth mirrors are. And if you have a late model sport bike, they're gonna be for you. And they've actually even expanded that fitment into some of the Street Fighter style naked bikes. High-end sport bikes like that, this is gonna be the mirror for you. And the price kind of reflects that at $480. Now let's talk about construction. This is a CNC aluminum body. And what I like is you can see those CNC marks in there. They didn't try to like cover that up. I really like that kind of machined finish. And they're available in 3 different colors. And it is anodized. So with the first one, we have the raw silver here that is got a clear anodize on it. So this isn't gonna fade out over time. And then we have what they're calling thunder gray and of course, black. So a couple of options there. But as we look more at the construction of this, you start to see some kind of wild things. This thing just looks like a blade when you first look at it. But what it does when this mounts on the fairing or when it mounts on the bar, this rolls open. And the mirror part is right here. So you can kind of adjust that where you want it. And if you go down in that full tuck position, these are made so you can still see in that tuck position. A lot of time, really cool mirrors, you just can't see out of them. This one looks like it has a pretty good piece of visibility on it. And again, construction, fit and finish on this stuff is absolutely top notch. Where this thing swivels open, the one thing I like is it has a little machined slot and groove there. So when you turn these things back closed, it has a stop feature. And really tight on the motion here. That's for a reason. You don't want these things blowing around on you. It also has a set screw in here that if you want to set those in a certain spot, you can tighten that screw up. But where this thing really goes next level is how these are designed is if you close these on the motorcycle, so it is this kind of flat blade. Rizoma claims that at 186 miles an hour, this makes 8.8 pounds of downforce. So if you've seen the MotoGP bikes over the last few years start to incorporate all those little front spoilers, this is the same idea. Rizoma has tested this. This actually creates downforce, which is pretty wild. Now, this is a $480 mirror, so it's pretty pricey, but this is top of the food chain stuff. If you have a top of the food chain bike, this is going to be a perfect addition for you. If you have any other questions, go ahead and hit that info tab on your desktop or mobile device. That's going to take you to the product detail page where you can read other riders' reviews and specifications about these mirrors. If you still have more questions, feel free to reach out to our customer service team. They would love to talk to you about what works best for you, your motorcycle budget, and riding style. I'm Patrick. Thank you for watching. Go work on those motorcycles.